Your skin is the largest organ that you have, so you want to take care of it. Glowing skin is typically seen as a sign of health and vitality. Dull or dry skin, on the other hand, can make you feel less than your best. Here comes autumn, and most people I know start to stock up their creams, moisturizers, and other skin nourishing products. During this time of year, the skin starts to feel stretched and leathery, especially for those people who have dry skin. Let's have a look at some of the nature's wonderful 10 products and lifestyle changes that you can implement as part of your beauty and skincare routine. The best part, you probably already have everything you need in your pantry, kitchen, or medicine cabinet. Number 1. Honey. Honey, when taken internally or externally, is excellent for the skin. For combination to dry skin types, take 1 teaspoon of honey and massage on the skin daily. Leave it on for about 10 minutes, then wash and pat dry. You will see that not only your skin has softened, but it has also got glow. Make sure you use raw honey both internally and externally in order to reap maximum benefits. Organic raw honey is easily available everywhere nowadays. Number 2. Figs. It is one of my all-time favorites. Take 2 figs or anjeer, mash them and add a little milk and gently rub on your face for 1 to 2 minutes. Wash the face with water and pat dry. This remedy will help you to remove all the toxins from your skin and help it to glow better. The mildly abrasive nature of figs help you to keep the skin healthy. Make sure you use this face pack regularly to reap maximum benefits. Make sure it suits your skin. Try a sample of this pack on your hand and see if it does not react. Number 3. Milk. I personally love this ingredient. Not only does it softens and nourishes the skin, but it makes it sensuous and helps in detanning. Wipe your skin with full fat milk twice a day or just splash a small bowlful of cold water on your skin and pat dry. Milk is known to be one of the best moisturizers for your skin. This one is a great home remedy for those who have a dry skin. Ensure that you apply it regularly. Number 4. Avocados. The healthy fruit with aphrodisiac properties works like wonder for dry skin. Mash an avocado and apply it on your clean and clear skin. Slowly massage it and leave it on for 15 minutes. Then wash it off with milk and then water. Full of healthy fats, vitamins, antioxidants, avocados are great for your skin health. Using avocado oil is also one of the best options to keep your skin healthy. Eating avocados is also one way to help your skin glow. Number 5. Bananas. A common man's moisturizer and nourisher. Never underestimate this fruit. Mash a ripe banana and massage the skin with the pulp. Even the driest of the skins will thank you for it. Banana contains moisture, potassium, vitamin E and C, which are responsible for promoting clear skin. Use a ripe banana. This is more beneficial than an unripe one. Number 6. Almond. Whether you are using pure almond oil or almond paste, both are excellent sources of vitamin E, providing nourishment for your skin externally. For dehydrated and dry skin, first massage the face with 1 teaspoon almond oil and then make a paste of 10 almond mix with a little milk and scrub it gently on the skin. Wash the face with milk and then water. Not only it will help the patchy skin, but it will give a youthful texture to our skin, something we are all in constant search of. Number 7. Olives. Olive is an excellent source of vitamins. Take 3 to 4 mashed olives and apply it onto your skin. Let them dry. Wash off with cold water and pat dry. It will help you to restore the natural pH of your skin. Olives or olive oil has long been known for their health and skin benefits. Olive oil is packed with anti-aging antioxidants and hydrating squalene, making it amazing for your hair, skin and nails. Number 8. Papaya. I am amazed at the goodness of this humble fruit and have used it time to time on my skin in various treatments, and they have all given positive results. Take mashed papaya and massage it onto your skin for 5 minutes. Wash the skin with milk and then water and see how clarified and soft your skin feels in minutes. Papaya nourishes the skin, and thanks to the presence of vitamin A and papain enzyme that helps to remove the dead skin cells and inactive proteins, thus rejuvenating your skin. Number 9. Sugar. Sugar is an excellent skin softener. For best results, mix the grains with either curd or fresh cream to bring back life to the driest of all skins. Take 1 teaspoon of shakkar, mix it with 1 teaspoon of balai and gently massage onto the skin. Leave it on for 10 minutes and then wash with cold water. Sugar scrubs have long been used for their abrasive nature that helps to exfoliate the skin and help it to glow. Number 10. Aloe vera. This modest plant can be grown practically everywhere in your gardens, pots, or terraces, etc. And it is an excellent rejuvenator for your undernourished skin. Scrape out the gel from the leaf, mash it, and massage onto your skin. Let it sit there for 10 minutes. Wash the skin with cold water and pat dry. Your skin will be rejuvenated naturally. Aloe vera soothes your skin, especially in summers when it faces the sweltering heat. Now that you have all these precious natural nourishes, all you need to do is to start using them and see how your skin comes back to life and becomes super soft in minutes.